Ideal replacement. This third brake light assembly was specifically designed to look and function like the original light on specific vehicles. Quality construction, made from quality materials for excellent visibility and illumination. Trustworthy design, backed by team of engineers and specialists in the United States. Thoroughly tested, this part has undergone extensive testing to help ensure a secure fit and long service life. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Looks fantastic. After reading lots of reviews, I was very weary of buying the product, the biggest complaints being about how the plastic inserts wouldn't fit in because they weren't 90 degrees or something. It took like 30 seconds of fiddling to make it go in. Definitely not worth leaving a bad review about. One light bulb did however not turn on, so I had to take one of the old ones off to replace it, which was also very simple as well. The whole process including changing the light bulb took like 15 minutes max. Looks like would recommend.